Now, amid the efforts to execute the arrest warrant for the South Korean president, Yoon has appealed to the court to dismiss the warrant. However, the court has dismissed his appeal. Our Ahn Sung-jin has the details.
President Yoon Suk Yeol's appeal against his arrest warrant and a search warrant for the presidential residence was dismissed by a court on Sunday. Yoon's legal counsel had mainly challenged three aspects of the warrants. First, it argued that the crime of insurrection is not a subject of investigation under the Corruption Investigation Office for high-ranking officials, which issued the warrants. The appeal added that the CIO requested the warrants from the Seoul Western District Court, which the appeal claims does not have jurisdiction over the presidential residence. It also added that some provisions of the Criminal Procedure Act are not included on the warrants. However, the Seoul Western District Court, which had issued the warrants, dismissed the appeal. It stated that warrant objections are for when a suspect is already in custody, suggesting that the request is not valid to start off with. Regarding the claim that the CIO does not have the authority to investigate into insurrection, the court claimed that since Yoon is accused of abuse of power, adding insurrection charges would simply be a related crime. Yoon's legal team had also appealed that the warrants ignore Article 110 of the Criminal Procedure Act, which states that an area that requires military confidentiality cannot be searched. However, the court said that since the warrants are confirming Yoon's whereabouts, Article 110 wouldn't apply. It further said that the Seoul Western District Court is the court with jurisdiction over the presidential residence in Yongsan-gu District. Following the court's decision, Yoon's legal team emphasized that the dismissal of the appeal does not imply that the warrants are valid, and announced that they would file an appeal to the Supreme Court. Yoon also pledged to file charges against more than 100 people, including the head of the CIO, Oh Dong-un, and Deputy Chief of the National Police Agency, Lee Ho-young. Yoon's legal team claims that these officials from the CIO and police broke into a military protection zone and injured Presidential Security Service employees to execute what Yoon's team says is an unconstitutional and illegal arrest warrant. Ahn Sung-jin, Arirang News.